So guys, here are the Airpods Pro. Here's the case of the Airpods Pro. Let me just open that up. Uh, Here's the Airpods. They're small and they're wide. That's why the case has been designed this way. They're horizontal rather than vertical. Let me just pull out the old Airpods just to show you guys. So these open this way, whereas these open in the horizontal way. These open in the vertical way. They both still open the same way. They have a really nice magnetic click to it, so that's nice. Both have Lightning USB, whereas this comes standard with wireless charging, and on the old ones you had to buy a wireless charging case. So that's also a really big up. Coming back to the AirPods Pro, these come with 3 noise control options. That's transparency, noise cancellation, and completely off, in which you do not get any. Wait, let me just bring this back in focus. Yep, there you go. So as I was saying, there's off, transparency, and noise cancellation. So in off, what this does, because these have ear tips over here, they whenever you put them in your ear, they tend to just isolate you from the outside noise just a little bit. So the transparency just normalizes that. It allows a little bit of noise from outside inside. In that mode, you just even forget that you have AirPods in your ears. That's how good it works. So, and the noise cancellation, it just isolates you completely with the outside noise. So that is that. Yeah. So these ear tips, from the box, they come in medium size, whereas in the box you even have 2 more sizes which you can change from. One is a smaller one and the other one is a bigger one. To actually test which one fits your ear perfectly, I suggest you go do the ear fit test, which let me just grab my iPhone. So here's my iPhone. I don't know if you can see that, the brightness is full. Okay. So what you do is go to your settings and then tap on Bluetooth. Go to your AirPods Pro, tap on that eye icon over there, and then just keep scrolling down till you see the ear tip fit test, as you guys can see here. Go on that, put these headphones in your ears and just press continue, and it will play a noise and it will give you a report of which ear tips will fit you better. So that's how I just went and I shift the medium ones to a small ones on both the earphones, and it works better. So that's how you can go through. And there's lots of control options as well on your iPhone. If you go and you can change the press and hold AirPods function on your left one, on your right one. For now you can go for noise control, that will be off, transparency and noise cancellation, but there's also a stereo option which you can customize there. I didn't play with that much. There's just my hands-on video on this, but stay tuned for the full review where I'll give you my full review on these AirPods Pro. They're definitely, for the time that I have used, these headphones are definitely one of the best sounding headphones I've ever used in a while, and they have a pretty good noise cancellation. Sorry for that. I've tested the noise cancellation. I was listening to some songs and had my TV running in the background, and when I had the noise cancellation on, I could not hear the TV at all. So this shows how good the noise cancellation on these headphones are. So please stay tuned for my review. I'll give you a full in-depth review on my headphones. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment what you guys think about these headphones. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Peace.